What's up, everybody? Jonathan Rose. We're going to do a 2-day flash sale. The biggest flash sale that we've ever had. $27, one-time payment. Here's what you get. You get 3 things. You get a 30-day membership to our futures program. You get a 30-day membership to our options program. And you get 30 days to use Edge Lite. For the futures program, every Sunday night, you'll get our 3 to 7 best trades. Every Monday, we'll do a live class. For the options program, every Sunday, you'll get our best 8 to 12 option strategies. Every Monday, you'll get another live class. Before I walk you through Edge Lite, we're going to do a 2-day flash sale. Today, May 28th, tomorrow, May 29th. This Saturday, 11 o'clock Eastern Time, we are going to have an Edge Series class. Anybody who owns one of our Edge products that's selling on the website for $9.97, or if you now own Edge Lite for just $27, you're going to join us this Saturday for a live class with myself, Jonathan Rose, and Pablo Lucina, the fellow who designed this unbelievable tool. Let me walk you through the Edge series. Let me walk you through Edge Lite. You'll see exactly how it works. If you want a complete explanation of the Portfolio Masters Club futures or the Portfolio Masters Club options, I'm going to leave a link below in the video description. Go check out the website, mastersintrading.com, under the storefront, and you'll get a full explanation of those programs. But let me share with you Edge Lite. Okay, guys, so this is Edge Lite. I'm so excited to share this with you. This allows you guys to check out the Edge series. And again, 27 bucks. I'm throwing in 2 memberships as well. Hopefully you see it's kind of a no-brainer deal. That's what I want. I want you playing around with this thing. Here's how it works. In front of you, Edge Lite. Let's go right to the beaker. Right now, it's only available on Thinkorswim. We are working on getting this available for every platform. Hit the cog. Symbol. Edge Lite allows you to look at the S&P futures. You can look at gold futures, oil futures, bond futures. We also added a few spreads. Now, the bigger Edge series are broken out into asset classes. So you can go on mastersintrading.com, look at the storefront to understand how the Edge series works. Right now, let's go through the S&P futures. So S&P, cycle a month. We can use different cycles, and all that means is the analysis that we're doing, this is the time frame that we're doing that analysis. Show implied ranges. Implied ranges, you don't have to use this. I think you're going to want to, but let me show you how it looks without the implied ranges. Without the implied ranges, it's a chart. It's just like any other chart. But it's not just like any other chart, because if you were to buy one S&P future at the beginning of your cycle, this is on a monthly cycle, so we're going to the beginning of the month. If you were to buy one, you would be up $9,837. If you would have sold one, you would have been down. Why do we use P&L? I turn it around. Why do you use the level of the S&P or the level of the bonds? It doesn't mean anything. I know what matters to me is P&L, and I have a feeling that's what matters to you as well. Let's go back up here. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like with the implied ranges. We want to use continuous so it updates live. Okay? Apply. Okay, here's what it looks like. Now we're going to start having some fun. Now, again, we still look at everything based upon P&L. What these implied bands are, and you don't even need options knowledge for this, but it's the implied volatility of the at-the-money straddle. That's going to work as support and resistance. Now you can see the S&Ps, we refer to this as they're at the 9,850 mark. The implied volatility bands are at the 14,500 mark. If we go back, because I want to show you how the market likes to react to these different bands. Last month, we rallied up here. We sold off, came right back up. But as we were rallying, this is volatility going lower. We busted through there, went down. We're kind of right at that level. The month before, traded down, rallied, and then continued rallying to the top, and then sold off again. If we keep going back, Here, we got up to that top band and then sold off. And here you can see, look at that volatility really rising. So not only can you do this with S&P futures, we've also enabled it to work with gold, to work with oil, to work with bonds. Again, it's all the exact same thing. So if we look at bonds, let's keep it on a monthly cycle, or why don't we put it on an annual cycle? That way our analysis will start January 1st. I'll take off these bands. Okay, apply, okay. And there you go. Again, because we're using a yearly cycle, we start in the beginning of the year. But again, all of our Edge series products, and now Edge Lite as well, looks at everything in P&L. What else do we have? You can get the price right up here. Opening, high, low. The implied volatility. Pretty useful stuff. Days remaining on your Edge trial. This Edge Lite will self-destruct in 37 days. We have a flash sale going on today and tomorrow. So you're either going to get it with 37 days remaining or 36 days remaining if you wait. Again, this Saturday, we're going to do an hour live class where I'm going to walk you through exactly how I use this tool. When you do this analysis, you're doing ZB now, it doesn't matter what this is. You could put ES, you could put ZB, you could put ZN, it doesn't matter. The Edge tools will overrule everything. So we're looking at ZB. Play around with it. I'm not going to go through each symbol, but I am going to go to the spreads because we love to trade spreads. Let's do a month with the spreads. Okay. Apply. Okay. Let me go on a smaller time frame so you could see more data. Now, the spreads that we included with Edge Lite, we included the minis. And we included the minis for one, I don't want you trading big size, risking a lot of money on something that's new. Paper trade, figure it out, make sure it works for you, make sure you understand it. We look at everything relative. So look, notice this green line and the red line coming together? I didn't even look what product it is yet. And now the green line is going offered back down and the red line is going higher. What's the green line? The green line is going to be the S&P against the NASDAQ. If you bought one S&P and sold one NASDAQ, you would have on the spread. If you buy it here and you hold it until this line, you're going to make $440. If you put on this trade and you're thinking, okay, if I do this trade, how much is my risk going to be? Well, if the market goes down here, if this spread goes down here, you'll know that if you were long at this level and now it's trading negative 1,000, you lost $500. So you can use these to get a really good understanding of your risk. Again, if we go back, look at these beautiful trades. Oh my goodness. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. They start working apart, but again, we want to be long, we want to be short. And they're eventually coming in. Okay? So play around with it. What we also did is not only are you going to get, wow, look at this awesome trade. They break apart, and look at that. Volatility brings them back together. And again, use this to see exactly how much you risked. This is the first time that we're doing this, guys. You're going to get three things. The options membership, it's usually $127 per month. That's included. The futures membership, that's usually $127 a month. That's included too. You're also going to get the Edge Lite. This is available. You'll have it for the next 37 days. And also this Saturday, you'll get a live 60-minute class with Jonathan Rose, myself, my good friend Pablo Lucina, who designed this phenomenal tool. Join. I'll see you on class Saturday. This is a special one-time offer, flash sale. Any questions? Email support@mastersinTrading. I'll also leave a ton of links in the video description. I'll see you guys in class.